Hi there, today we're gonna talk about African daisies. These plants are very drought resistant. They are able to survive a harsh summer without any watering or just a little bit. They produce very colored flowers. There is yellow, purple, pink, white and if shades of the rainbow, and they are good to use in drought-stricken areas. They are easy to propagate just from cuttings. You take a wooden cutting from it during winter and just put a bit of rooting powder at the end and you just sow it. These plants are easily to find around, and as they grow up they can grow up to a nearly size of a decent bush, around nearly to a meter, and they provide a good flowering season. It's not a short season when they flower, so you will be able to enjoy them in your garden or field. They can be used as hedges, and they will even survive in shaded areas. If possible, put them where there is a tiny bit of sunlight where it reaches them, and you won't have any trouble at all. If you can, water them at least once a week so that you can see them in their full splendor. I'm gonna show you the other colors so you have an idea of them. This is the white one, and we also have an orange yellow one. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.